Hello everyone, welcome back. Today let's make some backpacks together. The size of the backpack really depends on your doll. This is gonna be the height of the backpack. I cut out a little bit more than I need for the bottom and trim off the excess. A little piece of cardstock, scrap fabric hot glued on. This is for extra support. Now the main body of the backpack is done. We're gonna add a fabric flap. Let me go to my sewing machine. Now add a snap button. Then I'm gonna add this metallic gold white twine for the drawstring. I'm going to go back to my doll, see how much ribbon I need for the backpack straps. Mini notepad from my daughter's Valentine's Day goodie box. We made this mini Chinese textbook for the girl. A mini marker that might just be the right size for the doll. Pick out different color combinations and have fun. We made a few. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time.